Storytime with Me TV, where books come alive. Zahra Ahmed loved puzzles. Big puzzles, tiny puzzles, even puzzles made from sticks and leaves. She liked to think and imagine, especially when everyone else gave up. At school, Zahra's teacher made an exciting announcement. "We're redesigning the garden. Who wants to help?" Zahra's hand shot up like a rocket. The next day, Zahra and her classmates walked to the back of the school. The garden was wild, weeds everywhere. The benches were broken. The path was cracked. Some kids groaned. "It's a mess," one said. Zahra tilted her head and smiled. "Every puzzle starts messy," she said. Each student got a job. Some pulled weeds, others cleaned trash. Zahra's job was to plan a path through the garden. She sat on a bench with her notebook. Ants marched by her shoes. A breeze shook the tree leaves. Zahra watched and thought. She noticed how the sun lit up one corner in the morning, another stayed shady all day. She smiled. That gave her an idea. Zahra drew a winding path shaped like a puzzle piece. She added spots for sitting, spots for planting, and one special quiet corner. When she shared her drawing, some kids frowned. "That looks tricky," said one. Zahra nodded. "Good puzzles are." "The teacher loved it. Let's try it," she said. The class got to work. Zahra marked the path with colorful chalk and tiny flags. Some stones were heavy. The kids worked together. Zahra showed where the puzzle path would go. She made sure it curved around the sunny and shady spots. Day by day, the garden changed. The weeds disappeared. Flowers bloomed. The cracked path was replaced with Zahra's curvy design. Zahra planted tiny flowers near the sitting spots. She placed painted rocks along the edges. Each one had a small symbol or pattern. Kids from other classes came to visit. They followed the winding path, pointing out butterflies and whispering in the quiet corner. Zahra smiled as she watched them. The garden wasn't loud or fancy, but it felt like magic. Soft, thoughtful magic. Her teacher clapped at the end of week celebration. "Zahra, your ideas helped everyone see what this place could be. You're a real puzzle solver." Zahra felt proud. She hadn't built the garden alone, but her careful ideas helped it grow into something beautiful. Later that afternoon, Zahra sat in the quiet corner. A squirrel darted by. A petal floated down and landed on her braid. She reached into her pocket and pulled out a tiny notebook. Her next idea was already blooming. The principal visited and said, "Zahra, we're thinking of starting a puzzle club. Would you help lead it?" Zahra beamed. "Yes, please. I have lots of ideas." From that day on, Zahra kept looking for puzzles to solve. In the classroom, on the playground, even at home. She learned that big things often start with quiet thoughts, careful eyes, and a little imagination. And Zahra? She had all three. That made her a true garden builder, of puzzles and of peace.